Okay guys, this is the hood. I took it off the car. Went ahead and sanded it down with 600 dry. Now we're going to go ahead and put some more paint on there and get it to match the other parts of the car. That's what it should look like. I went ahead and wiped it down with isopropyl alcohol. Got it clean. Dry 600. And cut you on when I'm on my next step. Okay guys, we got through spraying the base. That was a week ago. It did sit out in the shop for a week. It wasn't covered or anything, so I'm going to run you through the steps of what I did. I went ahead and got the isopropyl alcohol lint-free towel, and I wiped it all down, cleaned it as much as I could that way, and then I ended up using tar grease remover with gloves and a respirator. Tar grease remover, wiped it down again, got it absolutely clean, and then I went ahead and used your tack rag here and got all the crap that was on it off. And these are the tack rags I use. I use the old Gerson Code Blues. I get them on Amazon. You buy a whole box of them for, I mean, that's the best price I could find was on Amazon anyway. But you can get a whole box of them for about 20 bucks, and they come in handy. So now what clear are we going to use? Of course, we're going to be back to the Silco 9120 X12 Supreme Ultra High Solids 420 Mirror Look Clear Coat in a slow configuration. Now I mixed it up here. It's ready to go. This is what it looks like if you let it dry on the bottom. That's your clear coat. I had a bigger one, but that one will work. Pretty neat. But anyway, we're going to run that. I'm going to run it at 35 psi today through the old black gun. I went ahead and gave her a cleaning. Now I'm going to get another one of these guns. I'm going to go ahead and get the T10 cap. You know, and I'm going to make that my clear coat gun, and then I'm going to turn that into a base gun. I might even get the 1.2 tip for it. Maybe the 1.4 tip too, just get the whole shebang for that gun so we can spray base through it.
But that's what we're gonna do. Oh. Wow, I'm popular today. But yeah, we're gonna run it at 35 psi. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some footage for that. We're gonna run it through the black gun. We're gonna use the Silco clear. Oh, another thing is I'll give you a little bit of a review of this clear for the money that you spend on that clear coat. It's pretty good. I think it beats pretty much everything else out that I'm using. It's 62% solids, I do believe, or 60. It's pretty good for an ultra high solids. I do have that Rio Flex that's also 60, but it's a rapid finish. This is just regular high solids clear, so there's nothing special about its curing properties. But if they had I think they do. If you go on the website on YouTube and type in Silco, they have a whole lot of cool new products that I've been looking at, and I didn't even know anything about them before I got on eBay and was looking for a deal on an ultra high solids clear, and I said, I'll take a chance on Silco. And then the company kept sending it so well packed and everything, their primer was so good that I think that's my primer now. This primer here, I gave you a little bit of a review. I love this primer, and the way it has the rapid cure and the standard slow cure. I don't think you can beat it, and it lays down and sands beautifully. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all some footage of that, and I'll get y'all some footage of me spraying it and everything. But let me get to it, and I'll see you when it's done, guys. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it. That's your Silco mirror finish or mirror look clear coat there. I went ahead and put 2 coats on. I didn't put 3. 2 was fine, so I ended it there. Ran out of clear. I don't want to mix anything up. Yeah, the clear coat looks good. So if you want to get the same kind of result, you could go ahead and get the 9120 X12 Supreme Ultra High Solids Clear. I ran it at 35 psi through this gun all the way out on everything. I still have a little bit left in there, but I don't want to put another coat on it. But yeah, it came out nice. Now I just gotta let it cure up in here, and I don't want to walk around too much and stir up dust and all that stuff, because it's dirty in here. So anyway, that's what you get. That'll be the end of the video, and I just want to thank everybody for commenting and subscribing and everything. So as always, God bless.